Are you having any problems purchasing any apps on your app store? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix that error, so make sure to watch the video till the end and hit that subscribe button. It's a very easy and simple method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, open up your phone and now go to your phone settings. Now here, scroll down until you see screen time. Go ahead and click on it. Now here, what you're gonna do is scroll all the way down until you see content and privacy restrictions. Now go ahead and click on that as well. And now here you'll see the content and privacy restrictions page. So first of all, make sure your content and privacy restrictions option is turned on. If it's not, you won't be able to see the options down below, so go ahead and toggle it on. The button will turn green and you'll be able to see all the options down below. And now here, click on iTunes and App Store purchases. And now finally, click on in-app purchases and make sure to turn that to allow. What's this gonna do is you can finally purchase any apps on the App Store you want, and it will not give you any errors, and you can smoothly purchase the app. Okay, so if it's still not working, then the problem will be with your card. So we're gonna go ahead and remove or replace the card. So for that, what we're gonna do is go to App Store and then click on your profile and go to your Apple account. And now from here, you should click on Manage Payments. And now what you're gonna do is either add a new card with the balance for the apps you're purchasing, or remove the existing card on which you have the balance but it's not working and re-add the card, and that's it. That should solve your problem. But make sure you have the balance in the card for the app you're purchasing so it doesn't give you errors. And that is it for this video. I hope you liked it, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.